We work with a really big nonprofit downtown Brooklyn, who we've been involved with for maybe 5 years. They had a flood one night in one of the bathrooms on one of the floors that they have in their office spaces in one of the common areas of the building. So it wasn't even, particular to their office. There was a small flood in the bathroom, and our cleaners noticed it. There wasn't a super on site at the time. Our cleaners, didn't have to say anything. It wasn't part of our super tight scope, but they saw it. They, called the supervisor on call, and we clearly saw that it was an issue that we needed to tell the client, sooner rather than later. We have everybody's contact number. We have the, point of contact, reached out. They got the super who manages the, larger Brooklyn building, and the client was happy that they didn't have a mess the next day. The building was super thrilled with us that we were a vendor who cares and, has the kind of wherewithal and a foresight to actually tell someone that something's going on. They could have just mopped it and left, and there was no more flood if they just mopped it, but they saw that it was like an active leak, and we let the right people know, and problem solved. Nobody even noticed, and that's the best stuff, that when nobody even notices what we did.